I'm 14 years old, and in my presentation today, I'm going to talk about me, what I do, how I do it, and what it's like to be a young entrepreneur. So I'll start by telling you a bit about who I am. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Waterford, which is 2 hours from Dublin. I'm a self-taught programmer, so I started programming when I was 9. Yeah, I've been programming since I was 9. I founded 2 startups. One is called Casey Games, and the other one is called Teachware. And I'm also a speaker. So I'll just start by telling you my story. So this all started for me when I was 9. I played a game on the internet called Club Penguin, and I saw that some of the people who played it were making like blogs and websites about it. So I just kind of thought that would be a fun hobby, like a fun thing to do. So I went down to the store and bought a book on programming, watched videos on YouTube. I learned initially HTML and moved into like things like JavaScript after that. Eventually, I wanted to get into making my own games instead of writing about them. So I started learning bits of ActionScript and Flash, and then I found the iPhone and the iPhone development kit, and so I wanted to make games for iPhone, but to make games for iPhone I needed a Mac, and Macs are really expensive, so I had to go with my parents. And my parents didn't know exactly what I was doing. They thought I was playing games rather than making them. So they didn't really understand. So I had to forge a letter from Apple to my mother to kind of encourage them to buy me the Mac so I could develop iPhone apps. So yeah, I did that, and eventually they gave in and they bought me the Mac. So that was good. So yeah, I started from there. I'll now run through a couple of my projects. The first one was called Alien Ball vs Humans, and it was sort of an experimental app. It was a mobile version of Space Invaders. I released it in February 2012, and the day I released it, I got a call from Apple. Because in the description I told in the description like how young I was and what age I was. So I got a call from Apple, and they sort of like encouraged me, and they helped feature the app. I got a fair bit of publicity, so in a few days it was the #1 game in Ireland on the App Store, so like, it was ahead of like Angry Birds and Minecraft, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, so talk about the technical, it only took 2 weeks to make. It was such, I was kind of like experimenting with the iPhone, yeah, it was more experimental. I wrote it in Chrome SDK, so I used the Lua language there. Another one of my projects is called My Little World, and that's an adventure sort of puzzle game. I released it in June in New York City. I was invited by IDA and Apple to launch it in one of the Apple stores in New York, so that was cool. And I wanted to sort of like tell people a bit more about the story, so I released an ebook sort of going on more about the character and the adventures he got into. And I also created a Level Creator because I think it's really important to encourage other young people to get into programming and get into game design. So I thought making an easy-to-use Level Creator would be like sort of setting someone on the right track. So like you can like use the tools that I use to create the levels, and gives a lot of like resources to learn programming yourself. So I thought that was a good addition. Yeah, I put a huge effort into it. I wrote it in Adobe Air, and it was cross-platform, and it took me 7 months to produce. Another one of my projects is called Food World, and that's an online multiplayer game. I collaborated on it with a British boy called Aiden. And what it is, it's set in a giant kitchen. You go around as food and like talk to other like fairs who are food and like play games with them. So yeah, it did very well. I got published on 2 major game portals, so that helped me bring the user base up. But unfortunately, I have like big exams this year, and so did Aiden at the time, so we had to postpone the project. So, yeah, so that's one of the disadvantages of kind of doing it at young, like you have to do exams and stuff as well. Yeah, and my current project is called Teachware, and that's a cloud-based student management system for primary school teachers. So you can basically manage attendance, exams, profiles, things like that. It's free. It's initially supposed to be ad-based, and I released it on web app and iOS. I launched it here last year, so yeah, it did pretty well since then. We have a strong user base. boards with it, so I'm pretty happy with it. At the moment I'm working on building it up and building it into like a system for whole schools rather than just teachers. So there's a bit of the technical description there. Some other things I do, I'm an official ambassador for BizWorld Ireland, which is an organisation that tries to encourage business and entrepreneurship in schools. I work with the European Commission on a number of projects. I've given my opinions on like what they do in the digital world. And I did an internship at Wine Candy, or like Mushy Monsters, during the summer. So my favourite trip was again to like New York. I got to do a lot of cool things there. I launched at the Apple Store, spoke there, so yeah, that was pretty cool. I got a lot of publicity for the game that I was launching there. So finally, I'll just talk about what it's like to be a young entrepreneur. Like there are advantages as well as like disadvantages. So I just run a few now. So the advantages would be like getting a head start. Like in 10 years, I'll be 24 and I'll already have like 12 years experience in like working in this industry. So that's one of the advantages. Yeah, I also get to get great publicity on my products. So like because I'm young, a lot of people would like to hear what I have to say, and that helps me like get like publicity for my apps, and that helps like sell them. So that's good. Yeah, I also get the opportunity to go to great places, and I get to meet amazing contacts because of this. So like I speak at a lot of conferences like this around the world. I get to meet really cool people who can help me out in the future. But there also are some disadvantages as well. Like one of them would be it's hard to work full time. So like because I'm like 14, I have to do my studies as well, especially this year because I'm doing my state exams. And like I kind of have to be like a kid as well, so like I go out and like I play with my friends. So yeah, I think a balance is really important. Yeah, it's also hard to be taken seriously sometimes as well, like because of my age. A lot of people like sort of don't really think I'm a real business person, like when I try to get things like investment, beachwear, like mentorship and stuff like that. So yeah, that can be difficult. And my current project, just to finish up, is an app called Eventsy. So I'm taking the current teachwear technology and putting it into like a sort of new industry. So I'm like creating like a corporate events manager. So like you can like integrate with Facebook and things like Eventbrite. So yeah, that's what I'm working on now. And yeah, that's me. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions as well.